Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and book your tickets on Etihad Airways. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and as without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, all you have to do is simply gonna go ahead, type in etihad.com on your website and simply access your particular browser just right over here. Once you have done so, you're gonna find this kind of interface. Right afterwards, all you gotta do is go to the section of book on top and tap on this book flights, book groups, whatever you need to book. Simply go ahead, choose the category. If you simply want to book a flight, go ahead, tap on this book flights. Now it will ask for your information. Now you're gonna choose you're flying from and flying to location, add in the date, type in your return date, and if you have a promo code, simply tap on this promo code and enter the promo code to redeem it, or tap on this pay with miles if you would like. And then afterwards, simply gonna do it, tap on this search flights. So once you have done so, you will be able to find all of the flights that are available here with the price and the date. Once you're done, all you gotta do is choose by the economy and business. You can also filter and short according to your need. Now tap on the show more flights if you're not ready, otherwise simply choose a one if it's economy class. And then once you have tapped on it, you will be able to tap on this choose. We chose this, and once we have confirmed our flight, it will gonna ask us the payment for us to complete. In our hidden section you can see guest information. We're gonna add the title, the first and last name. If you would like to join that, you can choose as well. Now and enter your contact information over there. Tap on this continue, or you can simply choose to tap on the skip to payment. Once you have done so, simply go ahead, continue, and in the payment section you're going to do your payment. Once you're done, you will get the confirmation on your email where you're going to find your ticket details as well, and you will be done. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.